Now move to our, see where we left. Here. So we had left here. So where the delimiter is at long place. So next what we need to do is, for example, we have something like 1, 2, slash and 3, or we have 1, 2, 3, or we have 1 slash and 2, 3. So it should say that delimiter is at wrong place. So for this, what we can do is let's assume that we are only handling the first occurrence for this. For example, let's assume there may be some wrong delimiter at many places. Let's assume for now, for this test case, that it is only at one place. So what we need to do is, let's suppose this is the string. We need to scan from from here to here, and we also need to give position where the wrong delimiter is. For example, here the delimiter would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth place. So we need to scan string from left to right, and wherever we encounter two delimiters together, we need to tell that the wrong delimiter is at that place. So for this, what we can do is, we can start from int I equal to 0. So I will tell you what I'm trying to do here is, for example, string is 1, 2, 3. So we will pick this and we will check if other. So in short, we will be scanning two items at a time and checking if they are not delimiter. So first we will check 1 comma, then we will check 1, 2, then 2 comma, then comma, here it will catch it. So I equal to 0, and we just need to go it till here because last check would be comma 3. So we need to go till I minus I is less than input dot length minus 2 I plus plus, and here we can do if input dot char at I equals comma, or input dot char at I equals slash 10. It will work. Yeah, it should work. And then again we need this, and we need to check the next element, which is just next to the I plus 1 and I plus 1. If this is true, then we should optional dot of return optional of number expected but slash and found at position 6. So it should be it will be position. Let's pick out this position I plus 1. Here it will be, we need to pick this string, and dot char at I plus 1. It will have some, it will won't be correct because slash n, the test case will treat slash n as next line. But let's see. So let's run our test case. Yeah, number expected, and see here the expected thing is, it is treating it as a next line. So what we can do is can do extract to method. No, this won't work. How should we write slash n here as it is? Control F1 extract to method. Okay, why it is extracting everything? Okay, let me write it separately. Private string um, mm, now it looks okay. Now we need to use here string. Mm, okay to me. We can, okay, let's see if it passes first. We can move to refactoring later. Yeah, it is passing. So let's just add some more test case to validate this thing. Okay, so here it should come as comma found at position 4, and let's invert this. It should also say comma found at position 4, and let's put /n/n. It should say /n found at position 4, and okay, so I think every case we have covered. Yeah. Okay, so all our previous test cases are also passing, and these test cases are also passing. Uh, let's now move to refactoring part. So this part here has become too cluttered. So what I am going to do is I am going to create a new class, input validator, and it will have public static. So in short, string calculator. Uh, this will here. This will be public, and create constant comma, create constant line separator, /n, and we can just remove this, Control D, and we can do dot validate input related dot validate input. It will come here. This is looking very cluttered, but let us first see that our test cases are passing, because we did a bit of refactoring. Yeah, our test cases are passing. Now let us refactor this a bit. If return optional off, we can extract this to new method. So if we can do something like this, if to we also need the index of delimiter. How can we do that? If to delimiters, obviously we cannot refactor it. Extract method to it, sorry. Int wrong. And we can give it this method return this won't work because we need both delimiter and its position. Okay, let's do it the other way. And then we can remove this method and put it here. Okay, and let's format it. Hmm. If r two dot present and r let's again check our test cases. Okay, they are still passing. So yeah, so let's see if we can refactor a little bit more. Optional validate input. Number expected, but you two limited together. Slash and uh, check if delimiters are together. Let's rename it to check if delimiters are together. This is still looking to me, this method bit cluttered. So what should we do? Let us come back to it again later, and let's move with our next test case. Validate input error dot is present. So basically the main method has, it will go to validate input class. If error is present, it will give the error back. If it is empty string, it will give 0, else it will add all numbers and return its value as string. Okay, let's just move now to next use case. Custom separators allow the add method to handle a different delimiter. To change the delimiter, the beginning of the input will contain a separate line that looks like this: slash slash delimiter slash n numbers slash slash hyphen slash n, and then it will have number, should return 3, 1 2 3 should return 6, this return 5. Okay, let me copy this one and write test case for it. Custom delimiter can be given uh, given with 2 slashes in, can be given after custom delimiter can be given using 2 slash at start. So sum of equal to custom delimiter can be given using 2 slash at start can be given after 2 slash at start. Okay, let us see it failing. Hmm. So now this is failing. Now let us go and write code to make it pass. Custom delimiter. Okay. So get input. It will validate input, but to validate input, first it needs to extract if custom delimiter is there. Uh, and then the remaining string will be there. So if the custom delimiter is not there, then it is going to use default delimiters, that is comma or line separator. Okay, how should we do this? I let's just